What's up, guys? It's your favorite math teacher here, and today we're talking about what is called a perfect square trinomial. So with a quadratic expression, generally you have two binomials and you multiply them by each other. That's where we use the FOIL or distributive methods to do it. Here, they are perfect squares, meaning whatever your binomial is, you're multiplying it by itself, so it's just squared. And so the biggest thing that I find my students do is they forget this middle term. And so when you do this, right, make sure you square your first value and you square your second value. But it's that middle part, the plus 2ab or the minus 2ab, that students have confusion with. So let me show you what I mean. So with this one that says x plus 4 squared, biggest mistake my students make is they go, well, x squared is x squared plus 4 squared is 16, and they leave their answer as that, right? Because x is your a value and 4 is your b value. Well, that's not correct, right? When you square something, you multiply it by itself. So this is x plus 4 times x plus 4. And so when you go through, if I solve this just using the distributive method, right, x times x is x squared, x times 4 is 4x, and then I would do 4 times x is also 4x, and lastly 4 times 4 is 16. So you would combine that middle term and get x squared plus 8x plus 16. And so notice if you just square it, right, you miss that middle term, that 8x, and so by kind of remembering this, it gives you a little bit of a shortcut, right? 2ab. Well, a is x and b is 4. X times 4 is 4x. And if I multiply that by 2, 4x times 2 is 8x. And so that's kind of what this pattern is. It serves as a shortcut. So if I look at the second one, right, this is subtraction. So I have a and b. So if I use that shortcut, first it's a squared. A is x, so x times x is x squared, minus 2 times a times b. Well, a times b, so x times 3 is 3x. 3x times 2 is 6x. And then b is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And so again, it gives you a little bit of a faster way to solve these when you do have a binomial being multiplied by itself. Because like I said, big mistake that I find my students do is this right here where we forget that middle term. So make sure you do not forget that middle term. Worst case scenario, write it out and distribute like we did to the left.